Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today, Thursday, 10th of August. Let's go through the pairs, see what's been happening. USD/JPY, we are currently in a buy position after the strong bullish close the day before yesterday. And yesterday also closed bullish. So we're in a green right now. The question is whether I continue with another buy here. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add another buy since yesterday closed bullish, strong bullish, and take profit would be pretty much same level as the previous trade. That's still open. $20 market order. Now we're in two positions now. USD CAD is stalling. Technically it's a break even, so we'll keep it that way for now, unless it closes in red today. USD/CHF is in green right now. Question is, should I add another position? Yeah, let's do that. We go with another position here. 1 to 1. All right, that's USD/CHF. Two position as well. Looks like hopefully USD will be bullish. Now AUD/CHF, we missed the TP the other day, and now it's just going sideways, but it's not closing in the red. So I have no reason to close this trade yet. So leave it as is. AUD New Zealand, no clue. Leave it be. AUD CAD. Question is, can we consider this candle as a strong bearish candle? It's very subjective, I suppose. But considering that we had wicks up here, I'm inclined to believe there's a good bearish momentum down. Just gonna put the TP before this zone here. Actually, I want my stop loss above that zone too. Oh well, can't have everything. Alright, this looks good. Market 6. Alright, so we're in a sell. We had AUD CAD, AUD USD. I have no idea. I don't see any momentum. AUD/JPY is in green currently, kind of pausing. Nothing for us to do but wait. New Zealand CAD. I really like this rejection. I really like it. A strong close down here. Doesn't mean it's gonna break. Who knows? It does show a lot of bearish sentiment here. A lot, actually. And the overall trend is down. Alright, let's do it. I'm just gonna put my stop loss a little bit higher this time because it can go either way. You never wanna put your stop loss inside consolidation. Yeah. Alright, so sell and New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CHF, nothing I can see here. New Zealand USD is in green, we'll leave it be. New Zealand JPY, I'm actually out of this trade, right? Yeah, I already said this at break even. I'm out of this trade, so there's nothing new to enter here. Yeah, so that was break even close. No new entries here. There's no strong candles yet. Market this week and last week has not been very good. It's just mostly consolidating for whatever crazy reason. Okay, looks like we had a loss. Yeah, this is what happens. You go just sideways like this. Very hard to trade. So that's a loss. I'm not entering a new one. First thing, it's already moved. Second thing, I'm not even sure it can breach this high. So that's pound, euro pound, no entries. Euro CHF making higher high into this zone. Looks pretty good for a buy. Alright, let's do it. Do a buy here. Stop loss below 1 to 1 here. I expect this to be breached, this zone. There's a very strong pressure coming into it. You can see a higher high. So buyers coming at higher prices instead of waiting for lower prices to buy. That means they believe the price would go even higher, right? If buyers coming here, then more buyers coming here. I mean, it's not a 100% thing. There's never a 100% thing, but that's what it looks like anyway. Alright, so a buy on Euro CHF, Euro JPY. Yeah, I'm not buying this one. It's a very strong zone up here. Leave it be. Euro AUD. Okay, looks like it's made up its mind. We have a strong bullish, and we just go according to our strategy. So that's a buy on Euro AUD. Hopefully it continues to push through. Euro USD, nothing here. Closed the other one at break even. Yesterday I closed the drop down. I just closed it. Euro New Zealand. Well, looks good for a buy. Looks like things might be picking up. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Candles pretty large. I would much rather for my TP to be hit in one day. Alright, Euro New Zealand, that's a buy. Euro CAD, nothing here. Pound JPY, nothing here. Pound AUD in green. Oh my god, look at that. Could have just gone a little bit more every time. Anyway, we'll wait. Might have a follow through, but it might just drop here because of this rejection. Hard to tell. This is the third occasion that I'm missing TP by a bit. I think from now on I'm gonna start squeezing my stop loss a little bit more so I can hit TP easily. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna close this at break even where it is right now, and I'll tell you why. Reason being that it's already pushed up 2 red candles. Yesterday's being very strong in terms of rejection, maybe not momentum, but it's got a big rejection, and the overall trend is down. So the way I see this is gonna make a lower low, at least try to make a lower low. It's already done going up to make a pullback as much as possible. Just didn't reach TP, that's fine. But yeah, I'm not gonna enter on this candle. There's not enough momentum. Might end up just consolidating here for a bit. So leave it for now. Let's pound USD, pound CAD. Interesting. Okay. I'm going to do a sell here. Strong bearish candle with the previous day weak rejection. Seems promising. Just sell at market. $20. Good. So that's that. I'll just put this one a little bit higher in case it wants to pull back before dropping. Pound CHF. Nothing here. Pound New Zealand. Alright, so it's closed in the red, and today I'm just gonna set an alert, wait for it to come back up. Hopefully it will, and then I'll manage it from there. If it's got momentum going through, I'll let it run. If not, I'll just close it. So no new entries for pound New Zealand. CAD CHF. I like that for a buy. Reason being, it looks like it's bouncing from the bottom. At the same time, it's closed strong. Well, relatively strong bullish. Not very strong though. But having that confluence of the bounce gives it a good edge. We'll see what happens. So hopefully it wants to go up, coming down. Looks like that's exactly what it's doing. Goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So this time should go up unless it suddenly decides I'm done with this zone and wants to break it. We'll see. CAD JPY, we are in green, and I'm gonna add another position here. $20 market order. It's getting a little bit messy here, but you can see. So we're in one order in the green, the other one just started, and our aim is hopefully for the price to get near those highs. Alright, so it's a buy, another buy on CAD JPY, and last pair CHF JPY. Nothing here. It's really into this zone. We don't buy when the price is into strong zones, because even if with a week before it goes up, it can just take us out. Should have bought this one, but I was already in a losing trade, and the psychology of it is very difficult to switch direction while you're losing. It's very hard. I prefer to just wait for one trade to settle before moving on to another. Alright. Thanks guys for watching. This is it for today, and I'll catch up with you Friday tomorrow. Cheers.